Good afternoon, children. So today we are going to discuss function library from page 26. What is function library? It's a collection of functions. Fine. So there are many functions defined in Excel and it is beyond the capacity of a person to remember the name and functionality of each one of them. So to overcome it, Excel has clubbed all the functions in the function library group of formulas tab. So here we have one formulas tab in which you will get the function library group, in which you will find different categories of functions. Right. So here the functions are categorized by their functionality, like math-centric, text, date and time, etc. So you can see here also you will see one formulas tab is given, and when you click on this you will get one functions library group, and this here you can see all the different categories of functions. Clear? So these are few categories of functions. Then from this you have to browse the functions, different functions you can get. Then the insert function, one option is given to it from which you can create a formula. So it is one of the options in the function library group which helps us in creating a formula. If you want to create a formula and you can't remember all the functions and functionality of that or purpose of that, so you can take the help of this. So you have to click on insert function button or option. Let us explore this option. So first of all, you can see step is click on the cell in which you want to enter a formula. पहले आपने एक enter करना है, जहाँ पे भी formula उस पर click करना है. Then you have two ways to enter the formula. What? First is click on the insert function button present on the formulas tab, or click on the insert function button present on the formula bar. So there are two ways you can insert the formula. You can see here now. You can click on the insert function button from this group only, or you can see in the formula bar they have written, means just side of that only, left side, you can see one fx is there. This is also fx, that is also fx. So this is also the insert function button. You can choose either of these options. So दोनों से ही आपके पास एक ही चीज आएगी, at one dialog box will appear. So you can click on this, and first before that you have to click on one cell where you want the formula to be added. So click on that cell and then go on any of these options. Click on suppose insert function. You will see one dialog box will appear. You can see here search for a function or few things or select a category and all that. These only are mentioned in your this theoretical part also. So you can see either of these will launch the insert function dialog box. आपके पास एक dialog box खुलेगा which is this only, and an equal to sign also will be placed in the cell. You can see here जैसे मैंने उस पर click किया था तो आपके पास equal to sign भी आ रहा है. Then in this dialog box what you have to do, you can search for a function by typing a brief description of what you want to do in the search for a function text box in case you do not remember the name of the function. अगर आपको exact name नहीं पता है function का तो आप यहाँ पे brief description भी दे सकते हो. For example, they have given add numbers returns the sum function. If you don't know what is the function for adding some numbers, तो आप simple brief description दे दो इस black area में जहाँ पे आपको is, because it is selected and that is it's coming in black. So you can click on this box and then you can write here add numbers. जैसे ही आप go पे click करोगे, you will find here the sum function only. Or the other way is in the or select a category text box, you can select the category of the function, like math and trig for GCD function. If you are not familiar with these categories, you can select all also, which will display an alphabetical list of all the functions in the select a function list box. So what you will do is, or one other way is, or select a category. यहाँ पे एक option है, आप इस पे click करोगे तो you will see few options are there, the categories which you can see I have shown also here. Also the categories are there. These are also the same categories. अगर आपको कोई particular category नहीं पता है, आप all पे भी click कर सकते हो. all पे click करोगे तो you will see all the functions in alphabetical order. Yeah, so कोई भी आप category कर सकते हो. Like they have given one example of math and trig. Everybody knows about math and trig में आपके पास एक GCD and LCM functions होते हैं. Clear? So you can see here GCD and LCM. They have given the little description also, and you have done in maths also. Right side पे आपके पास दिया हुआ है page पे what is GCD and what is LCM. तो यहाँ से भी आप देख सकते हो. Otherwise you know all GCD and LCM from maths also. Same thing. Clear? तो आप ये directly यहाँ से choose कर सकते हो these function GCD and LCM. Clear? Or select the desired function from the display list and then click on OK. तो यहाँ से जो भी आपको click करना है GCD, LCM, whatever, you can click on it and press OK. Clear? Next, this will open. Now what will happen? This will open the function arguments dialog box. One more dialog box will appear wherein you will enter the cell references or values and then click on OK to get the result of the selected function. Now I'm showing you the simplest one. I'm not showing you GCD or something. I'm showing you, suppose, sum only. Click on this sum and click on OK. आप कोई भी function पे click करके OK करोगे तो what will happen? One new dialog box will appear. You can see here. Can you see function arguments dialog box is coming, and you can see here SUM number 1, number 2. So it means arguments. We have discussed this before. Number 1 और number 2 मतलब कि आपने range बतानी है. They have given little description here. R1 to 1, the 255 numbers to sum and all these sum. तो जो भी आपने number 1, number 2 देना है, these two things you have to give here, and then you have to press OK. Clear? So arguments आप यहाँ पर दे सकते हो. कौन सा सेल आपने देना है. सपोज हेयर आई वांट B2, sorry B3 I want to give, and here let me give number 2 I'll give C3. Clear? So you can see here the numbers are coming automatically. 35,000. You can see here the salary in B3 is 35,000 and number 2 is 35,300. So you can see here automatically C2 is coming, C3 is coming 35,300. तो इन्हीं चीज़ों का, इन्हीं दो numbers का मुझे sum चाहिए. दोनों arguments लिखे, उनके addresses लिखे basically, and then you can press OK, and you will see here the answer is coming of that numbers. Clear? So directly आप वहाँ पर भी अपने arguments देके, अपने cell addresses देके answer निकाल सकते हो. Clear? Next topic is managing worksheets. Very easy. Renaming a worksheet. Everybody knows that by default your sheet names are sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. आप इन तीनों names को change कर सकते हो. They are just telling that only. So renaming a worksheet is what you can see the steps over there. Only read it once and just see here what I am doing. Right click on any of the sheets. Suppose sheet 3. Right click on it. You will see few options are coming. And you can see here rename option. You have to click on that option, and then you will see the sheet 3 where sheet 3 is written. It is getting selected. You can click on it and you can start typing. Suppose I have done here sum. Clear? या आप कोई भी class word लिख सकते हो. Suppose this sheet is related to class 8. So I'm writing class 8. So it means I have renamed this class or this sheet. Yeah. So similarly you can click on any other sheets and then right click rename. Yeah. So these things are only written in these steps. Take a look, and the options are given here in the figure. Yeah. Next we have deleting a worksheet. You can delete a worksheet if it is of no use. So to delete a worksheet, what you have to do, same thing like we have done here. Right click on the sheet which you want to delete and click on the delete option. See here or options is means two methods are given. One is right click underline and one is double click. Double click भी आप कर सकते थे to rename. Yeah. So when you double click, then also you can see and you can write the name. Yeah. And then you want to delete it. Suppose I want to delete this. Again right click on it and there is option 1, delete. Click on this and that will be deleted. You can see now 2 sheets are only there and the third sheet was deleted. And last topic we have changing color of a sheet tab. So sheet tabs, particularly sheet tab, these are the sheet tabs. इनके color अगर आपने change करने हैं, so here also again you have to right click and you can see one option is tab color. You can see few color palette is colors are there in a palette, and then click on any color and you see little bit color is changed. Click on the other. Oh, it is again tab color like this. So in this way when you click on it particularly, then it will be shown properly that it is changed. The color is change of the sheet tab, not of the sheet. Yeah, sheet tab ka color change hoga. Hope getting. Now the next topic, that is cell reference and its types. I will be sending you a video related to it. Yeah. And one more topic is there, that is circular reference, that I'm going to explain, but others, these three topics, I'll give you one video. So what is cell reference? Very easy it is. Just take a look. Circular reference occurs when a formula in a cell refers to its own cell value directly or indirectly. You can underline this: cell value directly or indirectly. What is this? See the example. For example, if you enter the formula this in cell A2. Now see here only you can check and you will understand what it is. They are saying एक formula आपने लिखा A2 में लिखा और A2 में ही लिखा है और A2 ही आप उसमें यूज कर रहे हो. गेटिंग A1 प्लस A2 इंटू 3 और A2 में आप फॉर्मूला लिख रहे हो. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल हेयर ऑल्सो. क्या आई हैव रिटन A1. In A1 I have written 25. I am writing equal to A1 plus A2 into 3. A2 में ही आप फॉर्मूला लिख रहे हो और A2 को यूज करो. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो. तो जब आप इस तरह का कोई फॉर्मूला या इस तरह का कुछ लिख रहे हो तो you will get 0 here. This is circular reference. Simple. So it means it is not possible. What it will show you, you are making the formula to refer to its own cell value, which is not possible. What will happen then? A warning as shown in the figure given on the next page will be displayed. In such a case, as soon as you click on the OK button of the warning dialog box, 0 will be returned in the cell containing formula, and the status bar will also notify you that the circular reference is found in the workbook and will display the cell address. Clear? So in this way, this will happen. First warning will be given and then you will find 0, and then you will see here in the status bar circular reference will also start coming. You can see once I'll choose, suppose you are writing here 25 and you are writing in this cell equal to, suppose I'm taking F column, so F3 plus F2. So can I do this? F3 में मैं formula लिख रही हूँ और F3 ही use कर रही हूँ. So I can't do this. When you put equal to sign or enter key, then you will see this type of warning will be coming. That is circular reference warning is coming. When you press OK, you will see 0 and you can see in the status bar circular reference is coming. Yeah. So this is the circular reference. Rest of the references I will be sending you the video. You can check from there, and right parts also you can just check once. Very easy they are. First page on 19th page you can see, to enter or modify a formula in a cell you can also press F2 after selecting the cell. Any change that you make in data will be reflected in the formula result. मतलब कोई भी आपने formula edit करना है, so click on that, and when you press on F2 जैसे ही आप प्रेस करोगे it will start coming like this. फॉर्मूला आना शुरू हो जाएगा और आप एडिटिंग करना शुरू कर सकते हो. क्लियर? चेंजेस कर सकते हो. Then quick view is to copy the formula from the above cell. Press Ctrl plus apostrophe. ऊपर से आपने फॉर्मूला को कॉपी करना है तो आप ये भी शॉर्टकट की यूज कर सकते हो. Next is Microsoft Excel follows the BEDMAS rule to evaluate the mathematical expression. Everybody knows about BODMAS, which you do in your maths. Here it is BEDMAS. Everybody knows what is E here. E means exponent. Here, so exponent value it will be solving first, then the others. So Excel uses this method automatically when a formula contains more than one operator. मतलब plus, minus, brackets, exponent. Everybody knows this is exponent. तो अगर ये चीज़ें हैं तो सबसे पहले brackets it will be solved, then exponent, and then the plus, minus or other operators will be used. Then to get the sum of the values of the adjacent cells, press Alt plus equal to. Adjacent का मतलब होता है साथ साथ जो cells होते हैं, continuous cells होते हैं. अगर उनका आपने sum निकालना है तो आप ये भी combination use कर सकते हो, Alt plus equal to sign, instead of clicking this auto sum. Everybody knows auto sum is for adjacent range के लिए sum use करते हैं auto sum. If you don't want to do this, then Alt plus equal to sign also you can do. Next is on page 23. The easiest way to define names for cells is to click on the name box at the left end of the formula bar, type a name for the range and press the enter key. So अगर आपने किसी cell पे directly जाना है, आप name box पर भी अपना उस particular cell address लिख सकते हो, उस particular cell का name लिख सकते हो and press the enter key. You will go to that particular cell. Then if you want to calculate the sum of multiple cells that are not in a range, हमें पता है सम हम कब लगाते हैं जब रेंज में हो, कंटिन्यूअस हो, बट स्टिल वी हैव द ऑप्शन, वी हैव द फैसिलिटी कि इफ इट इज नॉट इन रेंज देन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज विद द कॉमर्स ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट लाइक सम C4 C6 C8, ये अलग अलग सेल एड्रेसेस हैं, दे आर नॉट इन रेंज, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉमर्स. क्लियर? Next is to copy the formula to all the cells in the selected range, press F2 and then press Ctrl plus Enter key. एक ही फॉर्मूला अदर सेल्स में आपने सेलेक्ट कर कॉपी करना है, तो पहले F2 प्रेस करो एंड देन प्रेस Ctrl plus Enter. And from page 27, this is simple description of GCD and LCM function is given, example is given, just read, take a look. This is just your maths topics only. Yeah, so rest I will be sending you in the video link. I will be sending you the link. These references topics please do from there only. Thank you.